Imagine sipping on a delicious, refreshing smoothie that not only satiates your taste buds, but also works wonders for your skin and hair. Picture this, a simple beverage, brimming with a delightful blend of fruits and vegetables, each ingredient hand-picked for its unique nutrient profile. These smoothies are far more than thirst quenchers. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote clear skin and lustrous hair. Intrigued? Are you ready to discover these magical smoothie recipes? Stick around. First up is the Berry Glow Smoothie, a blend of antioxidants and vitamins that will give your skin a radiant glow. Let's dive into the creation of this amazing health elixir. Start with a handful of strawberries packed with vitamin C, essential for collagen production, giving your skin that healthy bounce. Next, toss in some blueberries, a superfood known for its antioxidant properties, fighting off skin-damaging free radicals. Now, add a ripe banana for its rich potassium content, which hydrates and moisturizes your skin from the inside. Finally, pour in a cup of almond milk, a fantastic source of vitamin E, key for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. Blend these ingredients together until smooth, and voila, and there you have it, the Berry Glow, a vibrant, delicious smoothie that's a treat for both your palate and your skin. Next up, the Green Machine, a powerhouse of nutrients that will make your hair shine with health. Let's start with a handful of spinach. Packed with vitamins A and C, it's just what your hair needs to stay strong and vibrant. The next ingredient is avocado. Rich in vitamin E, it's the perfect moisturizer for your hair. Now it's time for a green apple. Full of antioxidants, it helps in promoting hair growth. Lastly, pour in some coconut water. With its hydrating properties, it ensures that your hair stays nourished and shiny. Blend these ingredients together until smooth. Voila, the Green Machine. A smoothie that's as good for your hair as it tastes. Last but not least, the Tropical Radiance, a tropical treat that's a boon for both your skin and hair. Let's dive into the recipe. Start with a cup of fresh pineapple, a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants which are crucial for skin health. Follow this with a ripe mango, rich in vitamin A, promoting a healthy scalp and shiny hair. Pour in a cup of creamy coconut milk, which moisturizes your skin and conditions your hair. Finally, sprinkle a tablespoon of chia seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids, for that extra boost of nourishment. Blend all these ingredients until smooth, and voila. And there you have it, the Tropical Radiance, a tropical delight that will make both your skin and hair radiate health. And those were the 3 delicious smoothie recipes for healthy skin and hair. Each concoction is a blend of nature's finest, promising not only taste but also a radiant glow. Go ahead, give them a whirl. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the amazing products linked in the video description below.